Hey guys, Montana with Crockd here. Today I'll be showing you how to make a figure vase like this. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and then we'll get into it. We'll start by tearing off a third of our clay brick, warming it up with the palm of our hands, and then rolling it into a ball. Once your ball of clay is nice and smooth, we'll take our thumb and push it into the middle of the ball of clay without piercing through to the other side. Then slowly pinch down on the walls of your ball and pull up on the clay from the inside with your thumb or a tool. This is how we make a pinch pot. The walls of the pinch pot should be about 1 centimeter or 1/4 of an inch thick. Now we'll repeat the same steps we've covered so far to make another pinch pot. We just want to make sure that the rim of one of our pinch pots can fit snugly inside the other. To make sure my pinch pots fit together nicely, I'm slightly fluting out one of the rims. Score the areas of clay that will be coming into contact with each other by taking your needle tool and drawing little X's or hashtags. Dab the scored areas with water to create slip and combine. Use a spoon tool to blend the two pinch pots together. Once you've blended your pinch pots into one dinosaur egg looking vessel, feel free to use a tool to smooth the vessel out. Once your piece is nice and smooth, feel free to shape it a bit. I'm shaping my vase to more so resemble a figure by squeezing the top. When you're done shaping, go ahead and carve your opening in the top of your vase with your trimming tool. To add more shape and height to my vase, I'm adding a neck by rolling a ball of clay into a coil. Shape the coil into a ring, then score, slip, attach, and blend. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to like and subscribe. Now I'll start working on adding a little belly to my vase. Roll out a ball of clay, flatten it out a bit on your surface, and feel free to shape it as much as you'd like before attaching it to your vase. Then score, slip, attach, and blend. To add some little boobs, I'll roll out another little ball of clay, cut it in half, do some shaping, then score, slip, attach, and blend. Next, I'm going to use my trimming tool to carve out some of the clay on the belly and boobs from the inside. This is totally optional, but recommended if you plan to get your piece fired in a kiln. Do some final smoothing and feel free to carve a little belly button with your triangular shaped tool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and let us know what you want to see next.